Hey everyone, it is time for my October Boxycharm unboxing. Disclaimer, Boxycharm was kind enough to send this for me in exchange for an unboxing. So if you want to see this month's Boxycharm, just keep watching. As per usual, I try and not look up spoilers because I'd like to be surprised. So let's open her up. This is just a little thing saying that I have to disclose that I got it for free. So this is the little card. The theme is candy shop. We are not going to look at the items. We are just going to go straight in. And the first thing I see is a Murad Hydration AHA and BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Nice. I like hydration and I like skincare, so this is awesome. Hopefully it works for my skin. No. Now we have a body wash infused buffer. This is like the third time I've gotten one of these in Boxycharm. And while they are nice, it's just, it's just not something that I need like a million of right now. Okay, we have a Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss tinted lip butter. And this is like in a Sol matte, so I'm excited for this. I love like tinted lip balms and stuff. And what are you? A matte balancing moisturizer with acai berry and Brago, whatever that is. I'm more so about hydration than matte, but always excited to try that out. And then we have something from Beauty Bakery. I've never tried Beauty Bakery, so it's an eyeshadow palette. Oh, it has a thing on it. Okay, let's see. I hope it's like, I don't know, like I'm hoping that it's at least has some color to it, because your girl likes color. We're not about, okay, I gotta do this with my other hand. So this is the breakfast in bed palette. I can already tell it's gonna be neutral and I'm not gonna be happy. But let's, well, that's not bad, actually. Okay, like, it's not bright and there's a lot of shimmers, but it's not the worst palette I've ever seen. It's pretty, it has those purple tones, but it's just, oh, like, it's just not, I'm sure for someone who does, like, everyday type of makeup, it's fun. But your girl ain't about that, okay? Your girl wants bright, we want fun. Like, for an October box, I would have hoped they would have done something more Halloween-y. Like, if this is gonna be candy shop inspired, give me, like, a candy palette. Give me, like, brights and fun and something instead of just natural eyeshadows that just aren't for me, man. Like, I love Boxycharm so much, but I want a bright palette, you know what I mean? Like, I hate natural palettes on me. Like, it's just not fun for me. I want to do, like, graphic liner. I want to do something fun. I want brights. This just is not the type of palette for me. That being said, it's still pretty. So, I don't know. It's pretty. I'm going to open everything and we can look at it in detail. So this is what the Sol de Janeiro lip balm, lip butter looks like. I like the tint. I'm also wearing it on my lips, which I will show you guys. But the scent is overpowering as heck to me. I don't think the scent stays on the lips for long, which is good. But just from the tube itself, like, it's giving me a headache. It's just a very, very strong cocoa scent. It's just not really my type of thing. But that being said, the lip tint itself feels amazing on the lips and it smells nice. So this is what it looks like. It just adds a nice little mocha tint to it. Ignore how bad I'm breaking out. But yeah, it's pretty. I just hate the scent so much. I mean, the moisturizer is fine. It literally just feels like a moisturizer. It doesn't feel overly hydrating or anything. But it does feel like if you want a matte look with hydration, I would go for something like this. It's just personally not for my type of skin. I'm quite possibly like the most excited about this cleanser. I'm excited to try it. I do prefer chemical exfoliants over physical ones. I think that's how it goes. That's just what I've been told, skincare wise. But I'm excited to try this considering it says it's supposed to be hydrating, so we will see. I have so many of these products currently, so I'm not going to open this up yet, but I will definitely let you know how I like it when I do get to try it. The palette is just not my forte, but that being said, it's still pretty, and if you are a natural palette lover, I'm sure you'd love this. It's just not for me, boo. Not for me at all. Thank you guys so much for watching this Boxycharm unboxing. If you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, makeup by TashaXO, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.